Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we're going to take a look at the history of Amazing Medical. And in case you don't know, that's a YouTube channel. I'll put a link below so you can subscribe. Before we get started, let's look at the channel's most popular video. It's titled Biggest Blackhead, and it has 6.5 million views. The channel started off as Amazing Medical with Ted. Ted's medical videos were loud and brash, and they got mixed feedback. Let's take a look at some of Ted's work.
Let's get right to it. Number 7, colonoscopy. In a colonoscopy, a probe is sent up the patient's rectum to search through the patient's intestines for any sort of disease. Here you see a doctor using an extraction device to cut out a polyp from the patient to prevent it from becoming cancer. As you can see in this video, blackheads are extremely common on the nose of men. They tend to build up very quickly. And as you can see, they're pretty disgusting. So how do you treat blackheads if you were to get some? Leave us a comment and tell us how you remove blackheads when you get them.
Ted was a great addition to the team, but he eventually lost interest in making medical videos. So Adam and I took over production of the videos, and we decided to focus on pimple popping documentaries and clips like this. The channel has 77,000 subscribers and over 50 million views. Let's look at some of its popular topics. They include blackhead removal, pimple popping, and blackheads. Now let's look at our most popular recent video in its entirety. This is Watson from World's Greatest Medical. While you take a look at some of my favorite pops, click that subscribe button for new updates several times a week. And don't forget about that notification bell. Let's take a look at this removal. What do you think, folks? Is this a mole or some other growth? As you take a look at some excellent ear blackheads, comment below, would you be interested in joining us for live premieres and live chats? Why not? Also, check out this cool Photoshop ear blackhead. Awesome. Kinda looks real. I might need to make it the thumbnail. Very cool. Now, let's take a look at some pimple popper tools. Hey folks, to get rid of blackheads and blemishes the right way, get a Comedone extractor kit. This one here is the best we could find. It has a high quality to price ratio. It's got solid steel instruments, a compact case for traveling, and a good variety of tools for all your needs, including a lancet for whiteheads. Using an extractor like this is the easiest and safest method, as it reduces the chances of scarring and secondary infection. Use the Amazon link below to get a kit of your very own.